Hi everybody, welcome to Eezytutorials. In this video, we are going to see domestic animals. Let's see. Yay! What is this?
Goat, goat,
This goat gives us wool. What is this?
sheep, sheep,
This animal gives us milk.
cow, cow,
And this is
ox, ox,
this animal has a big hump. What is this?
bull, bull,
And this is
buffalo, buffalo,
this animal carries luggage.
donkey, donkey,
This animal runs fast.
horse, horse,
This is a hybrid of horse and donkey. What is this?
mule, mule,
This animal eats rat and drinks milk.
cat, cat,
This animal guards our house.
dog, dog,
This animal plays in the tree.
squirrel, squirrel,
Find this.
hamster, hamster,
And this is
rat, rat,
very cute animal which runs fast.
rabbit, rabbit,
A similar one, what is this?
chinchilla, chinchilla,
And this is
pig, pig,
find this.
guinea pig, guinea pig,
This animal is seen in desert. What is this?
camel, camel,
A very big animal. What is this?
elephant, elephant,
And this is
crab, crab,
find this.
zebu, zebu,
Certain breed of this animal can be grown in home. What is this?
deer, deer,
With big horns, what are they?
reindeer, reindeer,
Find this.
alpaca, alpaca,
And this is
skunk, skunk,
guess this animal?
mink, mink,
Find this.
hedgehog, hedgehog,
And this is.
llama, llama,
Let us see some domestic birds. What is this?
hen, hen,
This white color bird is.
duck, duck,
These birds are seen in pair.
lovebirds, lovebirds,
This paired bird is.
pigeon, pigeon,
This bird has the name of a country.
turkey, turkey,
Find this.
guinea fowl, guinea fowl,
This white color bird is.
dove, dove,
Find the speaking bird.
parrot, parrot,
Bird with 5 colors and also it speaks.
macaw, macaw,
Find this bird.
partridge, partridge,
Guess this bird.
quail, quail.
If you know some more animals, you can post it in the comment box. It will be displayed in the description box. Hope you like this video. Like, share and subscribe to Eezytutorials. Press the bell icon for instant updates. Thanks for watching.